Happy day, children. We have been seeing about many harmful effects due to plastic pollution in land, water, and air. But as a consumer, if we rethink and follow the 5 R's, we could definitely avoid plastic waste and bring in big change in the environment. And now it makes you to think what is 5R, isn't it? It's very simple. You already knew what is 3R. It is reduce, reuse and recycle. So added to this we have two more important R which has to be noticed. Refuse and repair. Now let's see how do these 5R lead to creating zero waste. Let's start off with reducing. When we go to shop, we can avoid taking products which is packed in plastic. We can request a shopkeeper to give it in a biodegradable bag. We should also carry our own baskets or bag, water bottle, refillable container and also these kind of materials which is made up of paper, bamboo, steel to avoid this situation of using plastic. Next, we will discuss about the second R, reuse, through which we can design any unused products or old plastic into a new form of useful product. We can reuse one-side papers without wasting it. Your old clothes, bottle, cardboards can be creatively designed and made use of it. The unused old toys also can be donated instead of throwing it in the garbage. Here is our third R, recycle. What is recycle? After you play or eat something, you collect the waste and throw it in the dustbin, isn't it? Those items which cannot be reused or composed can be recycled like paper, metal, plastic and glass. Do not throw away the newspaper or used writing pads. Sell them or bring them to the paper mill which can be turned into usable paper again. Used bottles, tin, rubber tires can be recycled into useful materials again. Let's discuss about the next R, repair. Home appliance, office equipment, lighting fixtures and automobile parts can be repaired instead of buying new ones. In the same way, have an old furniture repaired instead of buying a new one. Next, let's move on to refuse. Politely say no to plastic and particularly single-use plastic like straws, cups, plastic plate and spoons, and also avoid buying disposable items. So children, if we follow these 5 R in our day-to-day life, we can step towards a better tomorrow of zero waste planet in near future. Thank you and bye-bye.